Welcome to Oxmaint's Maintenance Mastery series. Today we're diving into a crucial aspect of maintenance management, corrective maintenance. Stick around to learn what it is, when it's used, and how it fits into your overall maintenance strategy. Corrective maintenance, also known as reactive maintenance, is the process of repairing equipment after it has already broken down or malfunctioned. It's the fix-it when it breaks approach. For example, imagine a production line where a conveyor belt suddenly stops working. The maintenance team rushing to repair it is performing corrective maintenance. Key characteristics of corrective maintenance include 1. It's reactive rather than proactive. 2. It's performed after a failure occurs. And 3. It aims to restore equipment to its normal operating condition. While preventive maintenance is often preferred, corrective maintenance has its place. It's typically used 1. For non-critical equipment where the cost of failure is low, 2. In emergencies when unexpected breakdowns occur, and 3. As a supplement to preventive maintenance for unforeseen issues. For instance, replacing a light bulb in an office is a simple corrective maintenance task. On the other hand, repairing a critical piece of manufacturing equipment after an unexpected breakdown would be a more urgent corrective maintenance scenario. Like any maintenance strategy, corrective maintenance has its advantages and disadvantages. Pros: 1. Lower upfront costs. 2. Less planning required. 3. Maximizes asset lifespan. Cons: 1. Higher long-term costs due to unexpected breakdowns. 2. Increased downtime. 3. Potential safety risks. 4. Shortened equipment lifespan. While corrective maintenance shouldn't be your only strategy, it does have a place in a comprehensive maintenance program. It's often used alongside preventive and predictive maintenance. The key is to find the right balance. Use corrective maintenance for 1. Low-priority assets. 2. Equipment where preventive maintenance isn't cost-effective. 3. Handling unexpected failures that slip through your preventive maintenance net. Understanding corrective maintenance is crucial for any maintenance professional. While it's not always the ideal approach, it's an essential tool in your maintenance toolkit. Remember, the goal is to minimize corrective maintenance through effective preventive and predictive strategies. But when breakdowns do occur, you'll be ready to respond quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more about optimizing your maintenance strategy, check out our free CMMS tool at oxmaint.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more maintenance mastery videos.